Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write paragraph on women's equality. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. You can write this under the topic Short Essay on Women's Equality. These points can also be used for debate on this particular topic. Recently, this topic has become an important topic of debate and discussion, so you can use these points in group discussions as well. Let's start writing. Women's equality. Women's equality is a fundamental human right. It is a crucial goal for creating a fair society. Means giving women the same opportunities, rights, and respect as men in all areas of life. This includes equal pay for equal work, access to education, healthcare, and leadership positions. Despite progress in recent years, women still face discrimination, and barriers in many parts of the world. They often earn less than men, have fewer career opportunities, underrepresented in politics and business leadership. Achieving true equality requires challenging long held stereotypes and changing cultural norms. That limit women's potential. It also involves creating laws and policies that protect women's rights and promote their advancement. When women are empowered, entire communities benefit. Countries with greater gender equality tend to have stronger economies. Better health outcomes, and more stable societies. Promoting women's equality is not just about fairness. It is about unlocking the full potential of half the world population. As we work towards this goal, we create a world where everyone, regardless of gender, can thrive and contribute their unique talents and perspectives.